Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 1-bath, ground floor apartment for sale in Bluff, situated on Mustang Close, which is a street away from Malibongwe Drive, and Malibongwe connects you to the N1 and the N14. Lanseria Airport is a quick 15-minute drive away. This 2-bed, 1-bath ground floor apartment has been newly renovated, repainted and retiled. There's currently a tenant in place who signed a 12-month lease agreement on the 1st of March. So if you're buying this to rent it out, it is perfect because there already is a tenant in place. Bluff is also very secure, has 24-hour security, 1 carport, plenty of visitors parking, and there's also a kids play area with the jungle gym. So pretty excited to show this one to you, so come on right in and have a look. Welcome to Bluff. It is a face brick design which also makes the levies very affordable. Firstly, we have this well taken care of kitchen. This kitchen is equipped with an extractor fan, a stove and an undercounter oven, double sink as well, and has plenty of cupboard space. You have a breakfast bar, space for 2 undercounter appliances as well as a double fridge. Next, we have the open plan lounge. The spacious lounge was tiled as there was carpets before. The carpets were removed and it has been repainted. The spacious lounge leads right onto the covered patio. So this is ideal for you to entertain guests. You have a built-in braai area as well as a washing line. Back to the apartment. This is the first bedroom. It has also been tiled, repainted as well, and is spacious as you can see. This is a double bed, but then there's enough space for you to have a queen size bed as well. There's built-in cupboard space there and very neat. Next, we have the only bathroom in the apartment. It's a full bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. It has also been repainted, tiled, and has a basin as well as a vanity mirror. Next, we have the main bedroom. There used to be carpets and the carpets have been removed and the room has been tiled. It was also repainted, and as you can see, it is very spacious. You can fit a king size bed, has built-in cupboards as well, and it's basically ready for you to move in. Lastly, we have the kids play area. It is at the corner of the complex away from the cars, so you know that the kids are safe while they play. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2-bed 1-bath we have for sale today. If you'd like to book a private viewing, just click on the link below.